Being able to deal with a consultant who has so much experience and knowledge when I'm walking through a showroom is utterly important. I'm taking clients there usually, in this case we were the client, but being able to walk through and have that experience that is in a beautiful space that's very soft and calm, because you don't want it stressful, but deal with someone who utterly knows what they're talking about and can deliver that information, was just like, it's the golden ticket, and it's really what any customer would want as an experience when they're selecting things for their homes. There's so many options to choose from, and it can be quite overwhelming for people. So
that's right.
Alexis was just a dream.
Without a doubt, she was. First of all, she spoke beautifully. She was very easy to follow. The questions that we asked were answered very effectively.
Yep.
She was fabulous.
There's also something about all of that experience in the industry, and you can see she knows so much. She was honing in on things that we were saying and asking specific questions and saying, well, I think that this might be something that you like. I'm going to put this brand in, James, or this code in, because I like, like that model.
Yes.
But I'm also going to throw this one in, just have a think about it.
Yeah.
That was a really good thing for me.
Yeah, you could tell she was very good at dealing with clients that had lots of knowledge, like you do, because you asked technical questions, whereas I asked the more down-to-earth and practical questions. She was really good to deal with.